I know what it's like to be a stranger on this planet. So when you wake up, I'll be here for you. So you never know what it's like to be alone.
Try to keep you close.
Stay down, Dr. Knight.
But life got
You know where I'm from?
Yep. And you should have stayed there.
Try.
You love people loving you.
You
are not selfless.
And you are no hero. I thought you could be, but I was wrong.
Should have been. Hold back the
I don't know you at all, and it was a mistake of me to misjudge you just because you're from Dax.
I can stop for a minute and see.
My name's Kara Zor-El. I'm from Krypton, and like you, I am a refugee on this planet.
Why do you have to be the one who saves everyone?
Because our worlds may have been destroyed, but we were spared for a reason. Look, I refuse to believe that. I believe you keep fighting. Whether you're stuck on another world, whether or not you have your powers, you never give in.
Against the tide.
I want to help you
keep
the world spinning.
Days are flashing by.
To prove that I was spared for a reason. I saved you at the police station because I care about you.
So is that together, like, on a date?
Yeah.
I can stop for a minute.
I was mad at you because I thought you were dating me.
You don't like me. Why do you care?
Hold back the river, let me look in your eyes. Hold back the river so I can stop for a minute and see where you hide. Hold back the river, hold back. Oh,
I kept writing you off. You kept proving me wrong. And it just got me thinking, maybe I can't have it all.
I will respect you. Just please, just give me a chance.
I'm sorry, I can't. I am marrying Mixus Pillick.
We'll make a great team.
I thought we were gonna do that.
Don't go yet.
You don't think that we belong together, and I respect it.
What do you mean? That
means something's going to happen.
Us hold each other.
Maybe being super wrong, having you is enough.
You are my kryptonite. I've never felt like this about anyone in my life. Why did you follow me?
I didn't want you to come up here by yourself. That Kryptonian girl has poisoned you.
Mother, that woman is the best thing that's ever happened to me. The best thing I know. Whether we're together or not, being near her makes me a better person. It makes me the person that I want to be.
Hold back the river, let me look in your eyes. Hold back the river so I can stop for a minute and be by your side. Hold back the river, hold back. Lonely water, lonely water.
Son,
Won't you let us wander?
You came after me.
Let us hold each other. Lonely water, lonely water.
As long as you're safe.
Won't you let us
Out of everybody who could have found me in that pod, I'm the luckiest guy in the world that it was you.
Each other.